2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki 400. In the thrilling world of motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400 emerges as an exceptional choice for beginners, seamlessly blending sporty design, manageable performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those stepping into the world of riding, the Ninja 400 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of beginner-friendly attributes and the exhilaration of sport bike riding. In 2024, the Ninja 400 continues to capture the imagination of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, dynamic rides, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling on two wheels. 1. Striking sport bike aesthetics. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 boasts striking sport bike aesthetics that seamlessly blend aggression with modern design. With its dual headlights, sharp fairings, and a streamlined profile, the Ninja 400 exudes a dynamic and athletic presence that resonates with riders seeking a combination of style and approachability. Kawasaki's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Ninja 400 not only provides an exhilarating riding experience but also makes a bold visual statement on the road. 2. Potent parallel twin engine for versatile performance. At the heart of the Ninja 400 lies a potent 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and versatile performance. Kawasaki's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the thrill of sport bike riding. The Ninja 400's engine provides ample performance for urban commuting, highway cruising, and spirited rides, offering a dynamic platform for riders to explore different riding scenarios. 3. Nimble and responsive handling. Designed for nimble handling, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 features a lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and balanced geometry make it easy for beginners to navigate through city traffic, carve through corners, and enjoy the thrill of sport bike handling. The Ninja 400's nimble design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the excitement of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable riding ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Ninja 400 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a sporty yet accommodating seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and upright handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Kawasaki's commitment to rider comfort makes the Ninja 400 not only a high-performance machine but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and dynamic rides. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Ninja 400 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. A full-color TFT display, LED lighting, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the Ninja 400's sporty character. Kawasaki ensures that the Ninja 400 remains technologically advanced, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of dynamic styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400 stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its striking sport bike aesthetics, nimble handling, potent parallel twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with style, or enjoying spirited rides on open roads, the Ninja 400 encapsulates the spirit of Kawasaki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level sport bike excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, dynamic rides, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.